Hello everyone and welcome to our cozy corner of the internet. You've found the Dimmed Attic, your personal lecture for sleep. If you're here, chances are you've spent one too many nights staring at the ceiling, counting sheep that just won't cooperate. Well, you're in the right place. Tonight we're not just going to talk about sleep, we're going to embark on a journey together. A journey toward understanding and reclaiming our rest. Settle in, get comfortable, and let the gentle hum of our attic begin to soothe you. Before we dive into the science and secrets of slumber, let's take a moment to simply be present. Find a comfortable position, whether you're sitting up or lying down. Gently close your eyes if you feel comfortable doing so. Now, take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, feeling your chest and belly expand. And as you exhale, slowly, through your mouth, imagine you're releasing all the tension and worries of the day. Let them drift away like clouds in a calm sky. Let's do that once more. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. Notice the quiet rhythm of your own breath. This simple act is the first step towards signaling to your body that it's time to unwind. It's a gentle permission slip to let go. So, what is sleep really? We often think of it as just switching off, but it's far from it. Sleep is an incredibly active and vital process. It's like a nightly maintenance crew for your mind and body. While you rest, your brain is hard at work, sorting and storing memories, clearing out toxins that build up during the day and preparing you for the challenges of tomorrow. Your body gets its own tune-up, repairing tissues, producing hormones, and strengthening your immune system. Think of it this way. A good night's sleep isn't a luxury. It's as essential as food, water, and air. It's the foundation upon which your health, mood, and productivity are built. Our sleep journey happens in cycles like a recurring play in several acts. We typically go through 4 to 6 of these cycles each night, and each one lasts about 90 minutes. It starts with light sleep, where you're easily awakened. Your breathing slows. Your muscles relax. This is the gateway to slumber. From there, you drift into a deeper stage of sleep. This is where the real physical restoration happens. Your heart rate and blood pressure drop, and your body focuses on repair and recovery. It's incredibly difficult to be woken from this stage, and if you are, you'll likely feel groggy and disoriented. It's the deep, restorative phase that makes you feel physically refreshed in the morning. After the deep sleep stage, something magical happens. We enter REM sleep, which stands for rapid eye movement. This is the stage where most of our vivid dreams occur. Your brain activity skyrockets, almost as if you were awake. Your eyes dart back and forth beneath your eyelids. This isn't just for entertainment. REM sleep is crucial for emotional regulation and memory consolidation. It's your brain's way of processing the day's events, solving problems, and strengthening learning. It's like a mental filing system deciding what to keep and what to discard. Without enough REM sleep, we can feel emotionally frayed and mentally sluggish. Each part of the sleep cycle plays a unique and indispensable role in our well-being. Now let's talk about our internal clock, the circadian rhythm. Imagine a master conductor inside your brain, orchestrating all your body's functions over a 24-hour period. This is your circadian rhythm. It tells you when to feel sleepy and when to feel alert. The most powerful cue for this internal clock is light. When your eyes detect light in the morning, it sends a signal to your brain to suppress melatonin, the sleep hormone, and wake you up. As darkness falls in the evening, the signal reverses and melatonin production begins, preparing you for sleep. This is why a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends, is so powerful. It keeps your internal conductor on a steady, predictable beat. However, in our modern world, this natural rhythm is often disrupted. The biggest culprit? The bright screens of our phones, tablets, and computers. The blue light they emit is particularly effective at tricking our brains into thinking it's still daytime. It slams the brakes on melatonin production, making it much harder to fall asleep. This is why creating a digital sunset is so important. Try to put away all screens at least an hour before you plan to sleep. Use this time for calming activities instead. Read a physical book under a warm, dim light. Listen to calming music. Take a warm bath. These activities don't just pass the time. They are powerful signals to your body and mind that the day is over and it's time to prepare for rest. Your sleep environment, your bedroom, is your sanctuary for rest. It should be a haven dedicated to sleep. First, let's consider darkness. The darker, the better. Use blackout curtains or an eye mask to block out any intrusive light from street lamps or electronics. Even a tiny bit of light can disrupt your sleep cycle. Next, think about temperature. A cool room is more conducive to sleep. The ideal temperature is generally between 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 to 19 degrees Celsius. Your body temperature naturally drops as you fall asleep, and a cool room helps facilitate that process. Finally, let's talk about sound. For some, absolute silence is key. For others, the hum of a fan or a white noise machine can mask distracting sounds and create a consistent, soothing audio environment. Experiment and see what works best for you. What we do during the day also has a profound impact on how we sleep at night. Regular physical activity is fantastic for sleep, but try to avoid intense exercise too close to bedtime, as it can be overstimulating. Your diet matters too. A large, heavy meal right before bed can cause discomfort and indigestion, interfering with your ability to rest. And then there's caffeine. We all know it's a stimulant, but its effects can last much longer than you might think. A good rule of thumb is to avoid caffeine for at least 6 to 8 hours before you intend to sleep. So that afternoon, coffee might be the reason you're tossing and turning at midnight. Being mindful of these daily habits can make a world of difference when your head finally hits the pillow. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, our minds just won't switch off. A racing mind is one of the most common barriers to sleep. If you find yourself lying in bed with thoughts spiraling, try a simple technique called a brain dump. Keep a notepad by your bed. Before you settle in for the night, take a few minutes to write down everything that's on your mind. Your worries, your to-do list for tomorrow, any lingering thoughts. The physical act of writing them down can feel like you're transferring them out of your head and onto the paper, giving your mind permission to let go of them until morning. It creates a clear boundary between your waking concerns and your time for rest. Let's return to our breath. It is always with us, a constant anchor to the present moment. If you wake up in the middle of the night and struggle to get back to sleep, focus on your breathing. Try the 4 to 7, 8 breathing technique. Breathe in quietly through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. Then, exhale completely through your mouth with a gentle whooshing sound for a count of 8. Repeat this cycle 3 or 4 times. This technique acts as a natural tranquilizer for the nervous system. It forces your mind to concentrate on the rhythm of your breath and helps to slow your heart rate, guiding you gently back into a state of calm and drowsiness. Remember, improving your sleep is a journey, not a race. There will be good nights and not so good nights. Be patient and compassionate with yourself. Celebrate the small victories. The night you put your phone away an hour early, the morning you woke up feeling just a little more refreshed. Consistency is far more important than perfection. By gradually incorporating these gentle practices into your routine, you are building a stronger, healthier relationship with sleep. You are investing in your long-term well-being, one peaceful night at a time. As we bring our lecture to a close, take one final deep breath with me. Inhale calm and tranquility, and exhale any remaining tension. Carry this feeling of peace with you as you prepare for your own restorative slumber. I hope you found this time together helpful and soothing. Thank you for joining me here in the dimmed attic. If you enjoyed our session, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more lectures on the art and science of sleep. We're here to support you on your journey. Until next time, I wish you a night filled with deep, restful, and rejuvenating sleep. Good night.